Welcome to Rubab's Kitchen Secrets. Today I am sharing a very tasty garlic and chili chutney recipe. You can enjoy this chutney with many dishes of your choice. You can save this chutney up to 3 months. Let's make it. For this recipe you need garlic cloves 100 grams, dry red chilies 20 grams, ginger a small piece, mustard oil 3 to 4 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon, mango powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. Now, you take a pan. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in it. Let the oil turns hot completely. Oil is hot now. We need to turn off the flame and let it cool. When oil became warm, you need to add cumin seeds and coriander seeds. And fry for 1 minute at low flame. At this point, add garlic cloves. Fry garlic cloves at low flame for 90 seconds. Remember, we don't need to over-fry garlic. We just need to remove its raw flavor. Now add dried chilies and cook for another 30 seconds. If you cook chilies more then it turns darker. And we don't need darker or burned flavor. It's done. Now we need to cool it completely. For next step, it's time to put our mixture in a wide plate. When it completely cooled down, add other spices and mix. Take a mixie jar and grind all ingredients together. Check it's ready to serve. We can save it in any airtight container. It has 3 weeks shelf life without fridge. In fridge you can save it up to 3 to 4 months. Enjoy homemade garlic and chili chutney.